Hi, Cassie Wells here with Keller Williams Realty with your commercial minutes. Today I'd like to go over, I would say, the four different kinds of investments that most people invest in. The first would be your core investment. A core investment is going to be your main street, downtown, rents are stagnant, tenants have been there for 20 or 30 years, they're not going anywhere, but you're just really not going to appreciate, and the rents are just going to be staying there. Your second is your core plus. Your core plus is around the Main Street area. They're going to be historic homes that you can renovate. The rents are not maxed out yet, but they're getting pretty close to it, but you can raise rents a little bit once you go in there and renovate. And then you have your value added. Your value added is what most investors look for, I do believe. And these are like, I have a shopping strip listed. The tenants have been there for a long time. The upstairs is totally full. The downstairs, the owner's never done anything with. It's just storage. You can finish that out and double your rent space and add value to the shopping strip. So that would be a value added. An apartment complex would also be a value added because you would have some of them if you can raise rents. Let's say an owner's owned it for 10 years. He's had stable tenants. As a matter of fact, I do have one right now. There are 5 duplexes. The owner has never raised rents. What I'm telling him is to raise the rents. Let's add value to the property by raising the rents, and then we're going to sell them. The fourth kind is opportunist. And what these people do is they go in and buy foreclosures, apartments that are vacant, that they can get really cheap. You can get owner financing on these quite a bit because you cannot get conventional financing on them. A lot of owners were owner financing for 2 years, let you build it back up, and then you can refinance. But it doesn't have to always be someone that's in trouble. A builder who wants to buy some land would be an opportunist because land you're not getting any money on, and you have to build something. So those are the 4 key investment opportunities. And if you want to become an investor, then what you do is you decide what kind of risk you want. Do you want 0 risk and just want to keep your money safe? Do you want to be in between, or do you want to take a huge risk? So everyone has their own risk that they want to take. Call me. We can talk about it. 501-993-1973. Have a great day. Talk to you later.